Hi, this is Paul with Power Window Repair. Today I'm going to go over a Jeep Cherokee XJ 2-door sport power window regulator. These are not available anymore. They're completely obsolete, incredibly hard to get a hold of. We have developed a way to repair and rebuild, and if necessary manufacture one from scratch. This is a double track window regulator. You can see it on the bench here. There's two carriers. One carries the front of the glass, the other carrier carries the rear of the glass. It has a motor in the middle. It has flexible tubes and a flexible drive shaft that goes through the tubes. And as the window motor winds up and down, it pushes the flexible drive shafts up and down these two tracks. Generally the way these break is the tubes are made of plastic, and I have one here that's broken and someone tried to repair it. Often they just shatter because this is a very, very weak plastic tube, and over the years the continuous push that the motor has holding the glass up into the sill will eventually shatter and break this plastic. As you can see, there are several repairs out there online that people try. They'll try and glue it with some kind of adhesive. That never works. I've seen plenty of DIY hose clamp repairs with all kinds of rubber tubing that people try. Generally these are very, very short-lived, and they don't create a good result. They'll often make the window regulator sound ratchety as well. So we've designed our own proprietary repair. We put a stainless steel braid all the way along the entire length of the tubing. We also strengthen where that tubing meets the metal tracks. We also have a strengthening that we can do to the motor. We rebuild these motors also. And we also have a proprietary repair that we do on the main glass carrier, because quite often the main glass carrier will break and come off the flexible drive shaft. So it is, quite labor intensive to do these. If you have one, you can contact us and send it to us. If it's broken, we'll repair it for you. If you need one, as in someone removed it from your vehicle and threw it away and just propped the glass up, then we can absolutely build these from scratch. We're the only company in the world that can build these from scratch anymore. So if you need one, or if you need assistance, go ahead and just give us a call, and we'll get it working just like brand new again. As you can see, this will go 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. That's a 3-second window. That's as fast as they ever get, and we'll make it right and make it happen for you. Thanks for watching.